morning, everybody. We just left Zion and we're heading out to Bryce. About to go through the historic tunnel built in 1915 or something like that.
Indeed, beautiful road. Check out that view.
We are entering Bryce. Got up early, did the drive, beautiful scenic drive, and we finally made it to Bryce Campground. We're at, which campground? Sunset Campground. So this is the system, how you pay. Register right here. Check out the circular view. Full 360, plenty of space. All this room for activities. Made it to Bryce Canyon. We're at Inspiration Point. Come check it out. The air out here is so thin. Even on these easy hikes, they become a little bit strenuous. 8,100 feet up here. After a short but challenging hike, I finally made it. Check out the view. Let's go see that viewpoint. Coming here to get some barbecue. Came out here to, I don't know, barbecue. Got the house special. I got way too much sun, but I'm still having fun. And no, it is not done. We got the pilot right here. What are you looking at?
Oh yeah.
Whoa, look at that.
Easy.
Mossy Cave. Only 0.4 miles. Oh, this should be easy. We need an easy one. Yesterday's Zion beat us up. As you saw, hiking can be dangerous. Watch your footing. Don't trip over stuff. We're in Bryce Canyon at Mossy Cave Trail. Just crossing a bridge. You know I love bridges. Bridges are some of my favorite things. Also, hoodoos. I didn't even know that was the name of these things before, but they're awesome. We finally made it. Mossy Cave. Well, we got here in April and there's still some ice in there, but come back when it's warmer and this will be flowing. So right now, about to approach a beautiful waterfall. This waterfall is flowing. Get ready. Well, we made it to the waterfall. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy right now. This trip is amazing. Right here, this is the thumbnail. Look surprised. Oh, clouds rolling in. It might rain. Boots recommended. I didn't bring my boots right now.
Oh, hey, another free hat.
Walk that hat. Down to Wall Street.
That's closed right now. But,
You're gonna be close to Miles too. Just wanted to see what's up.
Oh, here's the viewpoint. So we're in Bryce Canyon at the Navajo Loop Trail. Like 5 minutes into it, already beautiful. Not even 5 minutes, 1 minute in, it was beautiful. A lot more switchbacks. Here we are at 2 bridges. Would you see our hike over at Bryce Canyon? It was very nice. After that hard workout, getting sweaty, you need a shower. And you're camping, where's the showers? In Bryce, you can come over here to Ruby's Inn. Here's the bathhouse, it's $5. Oh, and we got Mick coming out right now. All right, we just drove way up to the very top. Up here, the elevation's like 9,000 feet or something. Ooh, Rainbow Point, well worth the drive. The air is so thin up here. Come look. Uh-oh, watch out for these mountain lions. Coyotes. I haven't seen that much wildlife yet though. It's been a wonderful trip. Day 3, Rainbow Point. We are way up there. You can see the road out there. That's where we drove from. A lot of viewpoints that we're about to stop at. What'd you do on 420? We got high, 9,100 feet high.
classic.
Here we have another little viewpoint, 8750. Still pretty high up here. It's a really nice one. Far viewpoint. So we just came from Sunset Point, which we thought we'd see the sunset over there. Wrong. So we walked this way. Whew. To Sunrise Point. And this is where the sunset is. They got it backwards. Up here at Sunrise Point, looking at the sunset. Next time, we go to the coral pink sand dunes and we give sandboarding a try. We might be good, we might not be. We'll see. So if you like this video, pulverize that like button and hit subscribe to follow along the journey. Many videos are coming.